Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your web browser homepage on Google Chrome. So in here I have my Google Chrome opened. So first let's search for Chrome Web Store. Open this one here. And then search for Bonjour. This is the one that we want, so click on this. And then click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Then it will add a new tab wherein you can customize your Chrome homepage. So we can now close the Chrome homepage. Now on the lower right part of the screen, you'll have a gear icon here. So click on this. And then we'll have an option to customize our Chrome homepage here. Now, first we have language. So you can choose any language that you prefer in here. Now, next we have greetings. You can put your name in here, and as you can see, once I put my name, it will show up here on the greetings. Now, quick links. You can add several websites on your Chrome homepage. So instead of searching it one by one, you can just have a shortcut quick link here on your Chrome homepage. So how you would do that, you can just first put the name here and then search for the link. So let's say we want YouTube, copy the link, and then paste it in here. Once you're done, click on add. There. Also, you can add or you can customize your background. So in here, I have an option to custom and then upload my preferred background. So let's say we want this photo in here. Now, once you selected the photo, just click open. And then as you can see in here, the background that we chose is the background of our homepage. Now, next we have in here, you can actually adjust the intensity, the blur intensity, if you want it to be clear or blur. You'll have an option to adjust the brightness. So if you want it to be a bit dark or bright. Next, we have the time and date. You'll have an option to choose how you want the time to show up on your home page. So you can put it this way or this way. You can also choose the date format. So here we'll have US date format, or if you want this one, it's your choice. Now we need to enable this, the geolocation, in order for Chrome to identify the weather, because as you can see in here, it shows the weather. You can add notes, you can add the search bar, and you can add quotes. Now, another thing in here is you can change the picture or the icon of your quick link. So let's say we want to change, let's open a photo here. So let's say we want this one. So what you need to do is to right click the picture, click copy image address, go back, and then paste it here on the second link, then click apply changes. Now, as you can see, we have already changed the icon of YouTube, but of course it's still YouTube when we click this one. And that's how to customize your web browser homepage on Google Chrome. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.